When was the last time you finished a project early at work? For so many of us with our busy schedules today, it feels like we're skidding into the finish line more often than not. A little breathless, but also very thankful that we were able to complete a job or a task on time. The PPVT-5 and EVT-3 have been in 2 to 3 years of development, and our original scheduled release date was this Friday, December 7th. I am thrilled to announce today that Tuesday, December 4th, today, is the official release date for PPVT-5 and EVT-3, and print kits are shipping out of the warehouse as we speak. Now, you may not think that 3 days is a big deal. I mean, it's just 3 days, right? But it is a big deal to us because a few days earlier on our side means that those of you that have pre-purchased kits get them a few days earlier on your side. So we're really excited to be able to deliver this a few days earlier for all of you who have ordered already. Not to worry for those of you that haven't ordered, our pre-publication discount is being extended through the end of this calendar year, December 31st, and we'd really encourage you to take a look at these new versions of a couple of great legacy tests because we think that they're going to help you in your work, whether it's more streamlined administration, whether it's additional qualitative analyses like our new STEM vocabulary analysis, or a more integrated and robust digital administration, scoring, and reporting. We think these are going to be great tools for you to use throughout your work.